We are also an LPCB approved fire alarm brand. So being an LPCB approved brand, which is an international certification, we need to have regular audits and compliances to maintain the quality of the product.
Thank you so much, Raju sir, for coming this event and exhibiting in this event, sir. What sets Notofire's detection and alarm system apart from other products on the market, sir?
Well, thank you first and foremost for Real Analysis for this beautiful event today. Well, Notofire is the first Indian company manufacturer of addressable fire alarm systems, which has all its components manufactured 100% in India itself, unlike the other OEMs who are there. And with its dedicated extensive SMT line wherein we print our own circuit boards, with a dedicated 100% in-house R&D team, we have been able to penetrate a huge market in India and utilize the government's Make in India program to its optimum level. And with more and more innovations day by day being done in the existing systems which we have developed, and with the LPCB approvals which we have got complying to the EN 54 standards, we understand that Notofire has much more to achieve in the next coming years in the addressable fire alarm detection segment. And with railways growing by leaps and bounds, with the infrastructure growing around in the railways, and we having more than 1,000 plus installations across the Indian railways, and with more to come, I think it is the product quality, the optimum utilization of the resources which it has, and giving out the best product suited to the Indian standards. I think that sets Notofire apart from other OEMs in the similar sector.
So what impact do you think the union budget of railway will have on the industry?
Well, as we were discussing in the morning today regarding the incentive-based schemes for the manufacturers, well, that is one of the things which we are looking forward to. Well, truly speaking, being an Indian manufacturer, we do and serving the government of India in different kinds of projects apart from the railways and other projects in the MES segment, PWDs and CPWDs. We understand that special incentive-based schemes by the government of India promoting the Indian manufacturers specifically can help us to grow in a much more bigger way. So we are looking forward to various incentives from the government of India in this particular segment.
And sir, how does Notofire ensures compliance with national and international safety standard?
Well, Notofire has itself all the certifications first and foremost. So to begin with, we are an ISO 9001 compliant company, an ISO 14001 manufacturing unit. We are also an LPCB approved fire alarm brand. So being an LPCB approved brand, which is an international certification, we need to have regular audits and compliances to maintain the quality of the product. And with our foresight set on the upcoming UL approval of our products, which will give us a more wider reach into the market, we are looking forward to maintaining the compliance at an optimum level so that we can be able to gather more and more market share of the fire detection industry.
So what are the key challenges and opportunity you see in the railway and metro sector in India, and what challenges does Notofire face in the fire safety industry, sir?
Well, key challenges is regarding the approvals. There is no standardized approvals as of such. The only standardized approvals which we have currently is from RDSO, from the Signaling and Telecom Directorate, due to which we have been able to sell our products and install our products across various signaling and telecom installations in India, which has helped us gain 1,000 plus installations across the country. But yes, there needs to be a standardized approval process across bodies like RLDA, across bodies like metro authority, different metro authorities, and wherein RDSO already has done stringent approval process, taking the pain and approving a body after 2.5 years in the fire detection industry for a particular directorate, those things should be considered, and more impetus should be given on Indian brands, to be specific. Like, we still see today brands, foreign brands being used in other metro projects across the country, wherein we can help save a lot of the revenues in those segments by giving the world-class products, because we are already RDSO approved in the Signaling and Telecom Directorate, and with those approvals we can make a big mark in those things.
Sir, in what ways do you think that your participation in this event will positively impact your organization and industry as a whole?